Today I am discussing about Adobe Illustrator Elephant. I have never been much of a technology person. I have been known to break everything in my week. I am only halfway through high school and I have had issues with three computers and I almost broke my phone twice. I've managed to find some sort of click with Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, so I have brought to you how to an illustrator for an of my favorite digital media projects. However, I couldn't possibly figure out how to make a good looking flower on my own, so I will refer you to my best friend's blog post on how to make an Adobe Illustrator flower. And don't worry if you aren't much of a tech person either. It's been over a year and I still consider myself a beginner. Feel free to use as a way to get familiar with Illustrator if you are a first timer. Step 1, starting off. Step 2, making the head, as you can see on the screen. In order to make a circle, hold down the shift key first and then drag the most mouse of the size you want to your circle. To fill the circle, go to the top toolbar and click on the two squares of the step 3, making the ears. Take the pen tool and trace an outline of the shape you want for your ear on top for your circle. If you don't know how to use a pen tool or this tutorial, step 4, making the ear continued. Fill the ear with the same color as color circle you like to did in step 2. Step 5, copying the ear part 1. Now you are gonna make an exact copy of the ear we just made so ears are symmetrical. Select the ear and the right click, next click transform to the next choose of the system. Step 6, copying the ear part 2. Once you choose reflect, there will be a pop-up menu. Make sure that you have a vertical and transform object selected. Step 7, final project. Step 8, make the inside of the ear. Next of the inside of the ear, go through the same process you went through in the step 3. With the pen tool, you can adjust the color and fill color of whatever shade you want. I recommend a lighter shade for the fill or and have no stroke out of the line. Step 9, copying inside. Repeat the same steps you did in step 5 and make sure that you have a vertical and transform object selected. However, instead of clicking OK, click copy and it will make an exact copy of the shape, face of the direction you want it to be. Step 10, Step 8 and 9, final product. Step 11, making the white eyes of the eyes. Just like with the making of the head of our elephant, we will make the use of ellipse tool to make the white eyes of the elephants. Adjust fill settings to the fill is white, there is no stroke. Step 12, now for the pupils. Repeat the steps in same step and adjust the fill settings into the fill is black and there is no stroke.